How to find your Instagram profile URL link. In this tutorial, you will learn step by step how to find your Instagram profile URL link. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram mobile application just like you can see here. This will bring you to the homepage of your Instagram account. From there, make sure you tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This action will take you to the profile section of your Instagram account. On this page, there are several options and sections available for managing and navigating different areas of your profile. Among those options, tap on the one labeled Share Profile. Once you tap it, a new page will appear. On this page, you will see different methods available for sharing your Instagram profile. You can choose to either copy the profile link directly or share the QR code that's displayed here. For this tutorial, I will copy the link. Once copied, you can then send it to anyone you want to share your Instagram profile URL with. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to find your Instagram profile URL link.